Hi, thanks for joining me. Today we are going to study the bear card number 15 in the Lenormand fortune telling deck. The bear card is card number 15. The playing card that represents the bear card is the 10 of clubs. The key words for the bear card are strength or something big. And I also I know that it's popular to use the bear card in terms of possibly finances and or job related reading stuff. So keyword strength, something big, and then finances. The by the way, if you're new to my channel, I use this book, Lenormand, Art of Reading Lenormand, by Alexander Mazurek, to help us study the cards. That's where I'm getting my information. The information provided for the bear card in this book says to keep your distance from people you know who are envious of your happiness. The bear is a card of finances, as it can represent a large sum of money with positive cards. And then the author says that he personally uses the bear as one of his money cards. In my readings, I've found that typically, I only do readings for myself right now, but typically when the bear comes up, it will represent something big. It can also be like mama bear sort of thing. If you're a mother, I'm a mother. So it can represent a person who is a mother. It can also represent for health issues. It can represent like dieting, possibly health related issues concerning diet. Anyway, let's go on. The message for the bear card is to take back your powers. For the person, it represents a protective mother, like I just said. Body, it's eating disorders, if you're doing a health reading. If you're doing a timing reading, it's 2 weeks or between 6 to 8 months. The 2 weeks would be easy to remember because it is card number 15. 6 to 8 months. Maybe that's how long bears hibernate. I don't know. I'd have to do a little research on that. The influence is neutral. The nuance is a portrait card. It can represent a person. The archangels associated with the bear card are Gabriel and Michael. The planet is Mars. The zodiac sign is Aries. If this card shows up in a love reading for a single person, the message is to believe in yourself and be yourself. If this card comes up in a love reading for someone who's in a relationship, the message could be temper your aggressiveness. If it comes up in a health reading, it could mean to pay attention to what you're eating. For a money reading, it's a large sum of money coming your way. Work related is your boss acknowledges your tenacity and hard work. And then the special power of this card, the closer the bear is to the querent in a reading, the stronger the querent is. Excuse me. There we go. So that's the bear. Okay, so now we're going to go to the combinations, and we're going to go through them one by one. So if a bear shows up in combination with the Rider card, this could mean that your mother is coming to visit you. It could be financial news on its way, or just important news, big news. Mother coming to visit, financial big news. If it is paired with the Clover card, this is great luck, big luck, prosperity, and advancement. That's a very positive combination. Great luck, prosperity, and advancement. If your bear card shows up with the Ship, this could be a money transfer of some sort. Maybe you're sending someone money. Maybe someone's sending money to you. It could be a big inheritance, or it could represent a long period of travel. Big travel, a big trip. The bear card combined with the House card, this is a big house. It could be your family house, or it could just be property. Big piece of property. Even though it's not listed here in the book, I think it could also represent a big transaction with regards to real estate, possibly. Because bear card obviously represents money. The bear card in combination with the tree This is health related. The tree is health related stuff. So this could be diet, could represent eating disorders, or it could represent healthcare in general. The bear card in combination with the clouds. This is uncertain financial decision. Or it could be a poor investment. Could represent an uncertain investment. Maybe you're on shaky ground with this investment. The bear card in combination with the snake card. This represents a dangerous investor. It could represent someone who's really, really jealous, like a big, serious jealousy issue, or it could just be a financial issue in general. The snake is a lot of times represents a warning of some kind. The bear card in combination with the grave or the coffin. This is bankruptcy. It could be financial loss, or it could be somebody, a sick mother who's sick. Could represent a boss who is sick, because sometimes the bear will represent a boss. The bear card in combination with the bouquet. This is a prosperous situation. This is a good boss. Or this could be just a beautiful mother. So the bouquet is an adjective for this person, the bear, a good boss, a beautiful mother, or a very prosperous situation. The bear card in combination with the sickle or the scythe. Excuse me. This could be the closing of an account. This could be the end of an investment. The closing of an account or the end of an investment. The sickle, the scythe cuts away. So closing or ending of something financial. If you get the bear card in combination with the whip, this could be violence or fighting for money. Representing violence or fighting for money. Bear card in combination with the birds or the owls in this case for this deck, number 12. This is a financial conversation, or this could be just chatting with your mom. Financial conversation or chatting with mom. Could be chatting with your boss as well. If you get the bear card in combination with the child, this is a new investment. This could be indicating that things are going to start small and then grow very big. Or if you are representing, if the bear is representing a person in a reading with the child, this could be mother and child, side by side. If you get the bear in combination with the fox, this is a dishonest boss. Or it could be a cunning boss, a clever boss. It could also be a financial problem. Sometimes the fox represents a warning, so it could be a warning about finances. The fox can represent somebody who's clever. It could be a mother who's thinking outside of the box in terms of like what she's going to do in a certain situation. So the fox can be either good or bad. It can also represent finances as well. It can represent alternative ways of making money. So in combination here, this could be finances, clever ways of making money. The bear in combination with the stars. This is a famous boss, or it could be that your boss is recognizing you for something you've done, because the stars represent recognition. It could be a financial achievement, or it could be a good investment, represents a good investment. Financial achievement, good investment, or being recognized. A boss who's famous, or you're being recognized by somebody you work for. The bear in combination with the stork. This is a brand new boss, because the stork represents change. So this could be a change in your bosses. This could also be a financial change. And then it could be a financial improvement. The stork, I think, can represent a positive change generally. So it could be financial improvement. The bear in combination with the dog. This is a friendly boss. This could be friends in high positions. Maybe you're just friends with your boss. Maybe you and your boss are friends, and I don't know, the work situation evolved from that. And this could be a trustworthy investment. No matter what it is, it's going to be good because the dog is a positive card. The bear in combination with the tower. This could represent a courthouse. It could represent a bank. I'm not sure why the courthouse. Or it could just be a corporation. Now, the tower itself represents, to me, it represents like the Matrix. It's the official buildings, like, it could represent schools, it could represent banks, it could represent government. With the bear side next to it, it might be financial, it could be stock market, it could be bank, it could be your place of work, that sort of thing. The bear in combination with the garden. This is a big gathering. This could be working with a team, or it could represent a large company. A big gathering, working with a team, or a large company. The bear in combination with the mountain. These are big financial blockages, because the mountain are blockages. This could be an investment of paramount importance. So obviously, both the bear and the mountains are big things. So this could be a big, important investment. If you have the bear in combination with the crossroads, this could mean multiple sources of income, or this could be a decision that you're making with regards to finances. So multiple ways of making money, or a couple of decisions that you're trying, a couple of ways you could go with your investment, making a decision. The bear in combination with the mice. This is paying a small fee. This could represent financial stress, because the mice represent stress or anxiety. Financial stress, or this could be a worried mother. A worried mother, it could also be a worried boss. Maybe your boss is anxious about something. The bear in combination with the heart. This is a loving mother. This could be a very generous boss. Or this could represent really big, strong feelings. In a love reading, maybe it represents just really, really big, strong feelings. So a loving mother, a generous boss, or big feelings. Bear in combination with the ring. The ring, again, doesn't just represent marriage and or relationships. It could also represent contracts of some sort. So this could be a financial contract or a financial deal, or a transaction, a big some kind of agreement, financial transaction. This could represent a big wedding. Or it could just be an important date. Big wedding, important date, financial transaction. Bear in combination with the journal or the book. This is a secret investment. The book represents secrets or things that are hidden, or it could represent knowledge. So a secret investment. This could be a big secret, the bear being big and the book being secret. A big secret, or this could be really important information coming in, some big, strong, important information, knowledge coming in. The bear in combination with the letter. This is an official letter. It could be a check coming in, or it could be an invoice of some sort, or it could just represent a contract, some kind of financial contract, business contract. If you have the bear in combination with the man or woman, this could be somebody who has some extra weight that they could lose. This could actually be your boss, represent a manager or a boss of some kind, or this could represent somebody who's got a big appetite. Again, too, it could be, if there's the bear and the woman, it could be a mother. The bear and the man would just be like it could be describing the man, a big man, somebody who's tall, somebody who's strong. It could represent someone who's strong as well. If you have the bear in combination with the lilies, this is a steady financial situation. The lilies represent longevity, sometimes peace and stability, that sort of thing, long term. So steady financial situation, or this could be long-term prosperity. Long-term prosperity or steady financial situation. The bear in combination with the sun card. This is a successful investment, big success, or a prosperous situation. Successful investment, big success, or a prosperous situation. Nothing bad when the sun card comes up, huh? If the bear is in combination with the moon card, this could be royalties, dividend, or commissions. Royalties, dividend, or commission. That might be a little hard for me to remember. The moon card represents intuition, creativity. I know it does, at least in the tarot. I think it's very similar in tarot versus Lenormand. So creativity could represent hidden things, things that are in the dark. With the bear card, though, royalties, dividend, or commissions. Maybe because the moon can be it can be a very personal card. It represents something that's you being recognized for something. So maybe a royalty would be, or dividend or commission. It's something that you did that's positive, so you're receiving something out of that. Anyway, remember it however you like, but I'll try to remember that as well. The bear with the key card. This is important financial success. The key represents meeting your goal, important goal reached, or it could be a successful investment. Successful investment or reaching success. The bear in combination with the fish. This could be seafood. You notice that the bear is actually eating a fish in this card. So this could be representing actually eating seafood, or it could be a huge sum of money. The fish represent abundance. So this could be a huge sum of money, or this could be a very large purchase. Maybe you're purchasing a house or a piece of property or a really expensive car. So this could be a big purchase. If the bear comes up in combination with the anchor, this is a secure financial situation. The anchor is security or stability, secure financial decision, or this is hard work paying off. Hard work paying off, secure financial situation. And then the last card, the bear in combination with the cross. This could be a heavy responsibility. The cross represents burdens and pain sometimes, so this is a heavy responsibility. This could be a financial burden. Maybe somebody came into some health issues and now they have hospital bills to pay, so this could be a big financial burden. Thank you so much for joining me on this bear combination card video. Haven't done a video in a while, so I'm back at it. I've received a few my channel is still very small, but I have received a few comments that have been encouraging, and I really do appreciate that. If you've subscribed, hoping that I will have more videos, here I am. I'm having more videos. So I hope you enjoy these. Thank you. And if you have any comments or recommendations for me, I'm all ears. This is kind of just a hobby for me right now, and it's something I'm enjoying. I really enjoy using Lenormand. I am getting pretty comfortable with the cards. I use them every day for myself. But I enjoy going over them on video, just focusing on one card at a time, because it is really super helpful for me, and I do hope that it's helpful for you as well. Anyway, visit me again, and I hope to have another video out soon. Thank you.